Hey guys, it's your girl Anne. Welcome back to another video. So I had to come and hide in my room because my grandkids are here and they are so noisy, and you'll hear a little bit of that in the couple of clips that you see after this. Today's video, what I'm sharing with you guys is a clean and decorate of the stair area. I shared the top part where I cleaned and decorated a couple videos back. So I want to create like a really nice focal point when you go down the stairs, and that big wall area at the bottom of the stairs when you come into my home through the front door, it's an area that you see as well. So it's really plain and boring, and I just want to create a nice focal point with a nice piece of artwork and some plants. Nothing too fussy, just minimal decorating because we do go up and down the stairs. And I'm also going to be tackling the carpet because since we moved here back in December, I haven't cleaned the carpet or anything like that. I've just swept it, but it's accumulated so much dust that it's so disgusting and yucky. Yesterday, I actually, before I made dinner, I tackled the bottom part and there was like so much dust. It's crazy. I'm not a big lover of area rugs on carpet, but since I started YouTube, I've sort of got into the decorating thing of having an area rug to define your living room and then your dining room area. But I don't like normal carpet, especially on a staircase where you're going up and down. I now know why a lot of people, when they purchase homes, they end up getting rid of the carpet or sometimes replacing it, or just continuing with the hardwood floors on the staircase. I do have some extra hardwood that the previous owner of this home left in the garage, but I would actually need someone to come in and rip the carpet out and put in the hardwood floors. And as you guys can see, the hardwood floors are so beautiful. I love the color, but my younger grandson usually spends a lot of time here every now and then, and even though he's walking, he's still kind of coming up the stairs on his knees. So just for extra padding for his knees and things like that, and for him not to slip or anything like that, I'm going to keep the carpet for now. I do have a steamer that cleans hardwood area rugs and windows and things like that. But for the staircase, I really need like a deep cleaning, shampooing type of vacuum cleaner, which I don't have right now. So what I'm going to do is just maybe sweep it for now, and then you'll see me tackle cleaning the walls and just cleaning up all of the dust and things like that. So I hope this video gives you guys a little inspiration and some motivation to do a little bit of cleaning for the spring season. And I hope you guys enjoy this video. So let's get started. And guys, I just want to thank you for tuning in and watching today. And like I said, I hope this video gives you a little bit of inspiration and motivation. Don't forget to subscribe, double tap your post notification bell. That way you'll always get alerts each and every time I upload a new video. Thanks so much for tuning in. Have a beautiful and blessed day, and I will see you guys in the next one. Let's get started on cleaning and decorating the staircase area. Sorry guys, my grandkids are here and they're making a lot of noise, but yesterday I swept the stairs and I got rid of the carpet that was there. So I need to measure that area and get a new carpet for down there. So this is the art piece, picture frame, whatever you want to call it. I want to put it on this wall, so as you come in through the front door, there's something nice to look at. And I want to put the big plant that I have in the living room in this area here, and maybe put, that's laundry that I did, I need to move that from there. And I want to put the 2 lanterns that I have on this side. I'm going to show you guys what the stairs look like. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but it's really dirty, so I'm going to just use this broom that I got from Dollarama and try to get rid of a lot of the dirt and possibly give it a cleaning using my deep cleaner with my my deep cleaning machine that I have, and clean the wall area, move it over here, and mop this area and put the picture up and just decorate it a little bit with the things that I have. It's messy up there, but I'm gonna do that area in a separate video because I want to get some, I want to go back to Michael's and get some florals for up there for the spring. And yeah. I was standing outside waiting for you. You were always taking time, baby, playing it through. I was calling out your name with my eyes on the wall. You were running like a ghost from me. You were running from it all. You got me. It's disgusting, guys. Look at all the dust that came off of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 steps. It's still a bit dirty, but this is why I hate carpet. Especially in a high traffic area, it gets really dusty and just disgusting. But yeah, that's the dust. So I'm gonna move on. I'm gonna get a bucket with some Lysol and a little bit of bleach and just wipe all these areas here. And the banister and everything, and then we're gonna decorate. You've been playing my mind lately, turn it around. Once I thought you were mine, baby, we're safe and sound. You got me waiting, I'm on fire. You got me waiting, my desire. I follow your heartbeat, keep on moving to the purpose now, to the ending of the ocean. Keep on moving to the purpose now, to the ending. I follow your heartbeat away, away, away. I follow your heartbeat away. Keep on moving to the purpose now, to the ending of the ocean. So this is the steamer that I have. It is a 5-in-1 steamer, so you can use it on carpets, area rugs, hardwood floors, tiled floors. You can use it on garments. You can clean the window with it. So I tried cleaning this bottom stairs, and look, it picked up some more of the dirt and dust that is still left over on the stairs that I still need to finish off. But because it's daytime that I'm filming this, I can't really steam the rug right now because it's going to be wet and people are still going to be going up and down the stairs. Even though we do have an elevator in the house, sometimes no one really cares to take it. So I may have to do this later on tonight, but I just want to show you guys how everything looks. I went ahead and I cleaned the doors, but it's nice and clean. I did clean the spindles and the handrail off camera, but everything is nice and clean. And even though this carpet still needs to be steamed and a lot of the fiber and hairs and stuff that's caught up in there and dust needs to come off. It still looks 100%, I would say 100% better than how it looked before, because you guys saw all of that dust and crap that I got off the stairs when I used the little broom to sweep it. So I'm still happy with how it looks. I'm thinking about getting rid of the carpet and continuing with the hardwood floors on the carpet, but my youngest grandson, he still creeps up the stairs. He walks, but he doesn't know how to walk up the stairs that well as yet. So he's still coming up on his knees. So, and you know, sometimes he's here visiting. So I may, you know, keep the carpet or change it to something that would probably hide the dirt a little bit more. I'm not sure. I will be painting this black, and I'll share that with you guys in the next video. And I need to do a bit of a touch up on the spindles, just give it another coat or two of paint. But I think it kind of looks good the way it is, but I will be painting the handrail black. But yeah, everything is nice and clean. It smells nice and fresh. So I'm just going to add a little bit of decor to this area just to spruce it up a bit. And I've only been in the house for a few months, so you know, things will change and styles and decorating. And so guys, this is how everything turned out. I really love how everything looks. It just adds, you know, something interesting for the eye to look at as you go up and down the stairs, especially when you come into my home through the front door. So I just wanted to add like a little focal point, and I may change out things as I go, but for now I just shopped my home and used whatever I had. So this plant is a faux plant. I purchased it at Amazon when I was back in the apartment back in 2020, and it used to be in my living room, and I just decided to put it here. I actually had it here over the Christmas holidays, and I kind of liked how it looks, so yeah. And then I've just placed 2 lanterns from Jisk, and the candles are battery operated candles, so if I want to, I can, you know, just light up this area at nighttime, and I think it would look really cute with the area light up. They're battery operated, and they also come with a remote. This was a clear vase that I got from a company that I used to work for many years ago called Aldo Accessories, and I spray painted the bottom part black and then the top part in silver, and then all of the greenery came from Michaels. And then I've added this beautiful black and white artwork that I recently got from Winners about 3 weeks ago. I think it was on clearance for like $40 or something like that. And you all know I love black and white, so I really love how this area turned out. It's just a nice little area that, you know, has a nice focal point for you to look at when you're, like I said, coming up and down the stairs or coming into my home. And I'm going to be making some changes to the upper part, which I shared with you guys a few months back, how I styled and decorated the upper part of the stair area. But this is how this area looks. I really like it, and I think I'm going to take this out. I'm going to have someone come in, take this out, and put up some black curtains here, some black curtain panels. There's a lot of light that comes in here in this area because we do have 2 windows. I have another window here, and then that one there. There used to be a matching curtain on this side like that one, and then over the holidays, my kids love pets, so my older daughter, she brought her cat here, and he decided to climb up there and rip the curtain in half. The curtains came with the house, so I ended up just putting this up there. So yeah, that is how this area looks. Let me know what you guys think. Do you like what I did? Comment down below and let me know. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for tuning in today. Have a beautiful and blessed day, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye guys.